Windshield wipers quit? Here's why. Blown fuses are a frequent culprit, easily checked and replaced. Worn wiper blades cause streaking and reduced visibility. Inspect every 6 months, replace annually. The wiper motor can fail, especially from overuse in heavy snow. Wiring can corrode, particularly in regions with road salt. Don't overlook the washer fluid system. A clogged nozzle can mimic wiper failure. Recent recalls highlight software glitches in newer cars, even EVs, causing unexpected malfunctions. Check the easiest things first. First, turn off the car and check the wiper fuse. Locate it in the fuse box under the hood or dashboard and replace it if it's blown. Next, inspect the wiper blades for damage like cracks or wear. Replace them if needed for clear visibility. If blades are fine, turn the key to accessory mode and activate the wipers. Listen for the motor. No sound suggests a motor or wiring problem. For modern cars, use an OBD2 scanner to connect and check for error codes that might relate to the wiper system. If it's still not working or you don't feel comfortable, consult a professional. Complex electronic issues require expert attention. Ignoring the problem can be unsafe and illegal.